Hi students, today we are going to start with the Android application development laboratory. We are going to start with the first program. The first program says that we have to design a visiting card. How the visiting card should be designed in the sense, first at the right top corner we should have a company logo, and rest in the center we should have a company name and logo, and then we should have one horizontal line. Then below these details we should have a employee details like employee name, job title, phone number, address, email and fax. Now we have to create this visiting card. Now we'll start with the Android application. Go for File, New, Project. Okay, click on Empty Activity. Just you have to rename your project name. I'll rechange it to Visiting Card. Visiting card, then rest everything is same. You can change it if you want. You can change your SDK, otherwise you need to keep it as it is. In the language, we are going to develop this visiting card application in the Java programming language, so I have selected Java programming language. Then you need to click on Finish. Once you click on Finish, the project is going to be start loading. Once it is loaded, first we have to go for layout. So at the top corner we can check it out. There will be an activity underscore main.xml that you have to click it out here. This is your layout which you are going to work out. Okay, first what should we do? First what I'll do in the sense, this is my layout. In this layout, first what should I do in the sense, I have to put a image at the right top corner they have said. So what I'm going to do in the sense, I'll go for common. There will be an image. Just you need to drag that image and you have to put it here. Before that, what should we do in the sense, we have to upload our image. Where you have to upload in the sense, just you go for here, there will be a res, you extract it. In the drawable you have to put your image. So what I'll do, already I have downloaded one image. This image, just I'll drag it and I'll drop into your drawable. I'll put into my drawable folder. See, u.jpng I have added in my drawable. Okay, first what I'll do, I'll extract this and I'll place it here. So I'll select this my YouTube and I'll click on OK. It will place here. Okay, at the right here I'll place my YouTube. Now what should I do next? I have to write a company name. The company name, here I'm going to take use of a text view. Why I'm going to use a text view in the sense it is just a viewable component. So I'm going to use a text view. Just I'll take that and I'll drag it and I'll drop it here. Okay. If you want to put it into your lengths in the sense, just you put a corner at the in between of this and just you drag it. And you place here. Okay, now I have placed. Now I want to write in the content. So where I have to write your content in the sense, here you can check it out in the side panel left, right side, where you can have an attributes here. Just you have to click that attributes. Here you need to change your data which you want to write it in that particular text view. So I will write it YouTube. I'll write it. This is my company name. So I'll write it here. Okay, this I have written. Now I want to increase the text of that particular particular text. So what I'll do, I'll go down in the same attributes property. There will be on text size. Text size. Here it is in 14 SP. What I will do, I'll make it as an 25 SP. See, now it is visible. So again I'll increase to 40 SP. Still it is good. Now it is looking good in the bigger size. Now I need to make it to the center. So what I'll do here, there is a text alignment. There I need to put it as a center. No, it is center. So I need to go for a gravity. I need to go for gravity. Okay, there will be a gravity. What is 1 second. GHE ID is there here. There will be a gravity here. So okay, sorry, we have to select this and then we need to search on the basis of gravity. Here we have a gravity that we need to change it for center. See, here there will be a center. You need to click this and you need to apply it. So now it has been moved to your center. Now what should I do? We have to just put a one horizontal line. So we need to go for widgets. Come down, there will be an horizontal divider. You select it and you drop it here. Okay. This you're going to be on one line. Okay, now what should I do? I need to come up with the employee name. So here also now we are not taking any input from the user. So what I'm doing, just I need to make use of text weave. You need to take this text weave, just you need to place it here. Okay. Put it to your length of how much you require and take it that much of length. Okay, the same thing now. Again, we need to enter your text employee name. So again, you need to go for attributes and you need to select your attribute name. That I'll write it some Ram Raj. Okay, I'll write it. This is your text which you got it. Now this has to be placed at the center. So what you should do, you should select your gravity. Go for searching of your gravity in your attributes property, where you're going to get your gravity, where you need to click on your center and apply. Now it will move to your center. Now what we should do, we have to select the text size. Now it is for 14 says, I'll go select for 20 SP. Now it is selected. Now, okay, text color I want to change. So there is an attribute called text color. So I'll move here and I'll write it black. Color black. I will select it. Now you can check it out. You got it, black color. The same way, now what we have to do, we have to write employee name, job title. So what I'll do here, I'll write a title of my job. So what I'll do, again it is in text view, drag and drop it here. Just what you should do, you need to place it here. Again you have to put it on to the below of my name. Again you have to select this, go for your text. Here you need to write it job title. So I'll write it software developer. I have written. Now I want to place the text in the center. So again I'll go for gravity. I'll go for gravity. Here click on a flag, you're going to get a center, apply. That's it, it will get to the center. Now I need to increase my text size. So what should I do? There will be an attribute called text size in your attributes. You need to increase that. So I'll make it as in 20 SP. Just I'll click it. Now it is increased. Now I want to change the text color of that particular text. So I'll make it as a black. I'll write it. Just you're going to get the options. You have to select that particular option. Now it is selected to software developer. Now again what we need job title, it is done. Now we need a phone number. So what should we do? Just the same thing, you have to make it as a text weave, drag it and drop it the things. Okay, now you have to enter your phone number here in this particular text box. If you want to enter the any text into this particular text box, go for attributes. There will be an attribute called text. You have to enter your value here. So I'll write it 9731362837836. Okay, this is my number. Just I'll write it. So next what I'll do, I need to place it in the center. Again I'll go for gravity. I'll make it as in center and apply. Now it has got center. Now you need to increase the size of the text. So again text size attribute you have to select. There you have to give 20 SP. Then again text color you have to change. So I'll give it as a black. You select any one thing from the attribute and you give it as black. Now you have got a black color. The same thing again we have to go use for another one, address. So what I'll do, same the text thing, I'll take it and I'll drop it here. You need to drag your things. Okay, now go for your text, or else there only you're going to get it here. Text weave, text it will be, there will be a text weave that you need to change it. Now we need to specify your address. How we can, what we can give, electronic city Bengaluru will give you, will give like this. Okay, it is I have done a undo, sorry. I'll rechange it. Okay, now I'll change it to Electronic City Bengaluru. I'll write it. Okay, now you press enter. Now you need to make it as a center. Go for gravity. Go for gravity, select the flag, click on center, apply the changes, it will come to the center. Now you need to change your text size. Go for text size, give 20 sp, press enter. Now you need to change your text color, give the black. Just you select the third option, enter it. Now it will be changed to your Electronic City Bangalore. Black color your values. Okay, now what we need to set? Email and fax. Now email is also an text weave, so again we have to select your text weave. We are not taking any input from the user, so that's why we are going to make use of text weave. Just we are weaving the data which you are writing, that's it. So we are going to make use of text weave. Okay, now what we have to give? Email ID. So what I'll do, select that particular one, go for first we will change the gravity. Go for gravity, center, apply, and go for text. In the text wave you have to specify mail ramranju@gmail.com. You have done. Now you have to change the text color, write your black color, black. You have done, and you have to increase your text size. I'll write it 20 sp in the text size attribute. Just I'll enter. Now it is increased. Okay, now what you have to write it? Fax. You have to mention your fax number. So what you'll write it? Just you need to drag it and drop the widget. Okay, go for this. Now we are in the gravity, you need it. Why? Because you need to make it as a center. Go for center, apply. Apply, and you need to write your text data. Go for text. You need to write your fax number, so you'll write it fax colon some number. You can give your fax number 56. Change your text color black. I'll give it as a black, and now I'll change my text size 20 sp. I'll write it, and now it is changed. Okay, now we have to change the text color of this, so I'll make use of this text color and I'll give my black. Now it is done. See, now text everything is been done. So now it is looking only white color. If I want to apply the background color, which operation we have to make use in the sense where the top we are going to have some background, so that we have to select to any one color. You can select and you can click on it. Just it will be changing to that particular color. That's it. Okay. Now if you want to run this particular code, you have to go for play button here on the top one. Just you need to click on this particular button. Now the installation has been started. Here at the downside you can check it out, starting AVD, and Gradle will start running. Is the phone has started. The code is installing. Okay, sorry, the why what it is done in the sense as the visibility is changes here. So what we have to do here in the sense, we have to place our things properly in the, so you have to select this thing, select your name, click, take this particular circle and you drag it to your center. Okay, the same above one you take it and you need to put it here. So you need to select that Ram Raja and you need to place it where you want to locate it. That's it. Now the same thing you need to select your developer, this, and you have to change your or you have to place in that particular location. Same way. See, now you're going to get it, just you have to place in that particular location. Now it is located. The same thing you have to do for the phone number also. Select the phone number, place it at here, do it for the top. Now you need to locate it into the particular location. Same way you need to do for the company located. Just you need to do it same for your company. You have to place in the correct location. The same you have to do for your mail ID also. It will come down, but when you have to adjust it properly. Okay, now it is set it properly. The same thing you have to do for your fax. Select it and drag it to your drop down. Now we will check it out. This also we will apply it. For safer side, I am applying this. For sides also we have to apply if it is required. First we will check whether it works fine or not. Go for play button, click. It started running at the background. Now we will see. Now we got it exactly. Once we started arranging of your things properly, then it started. Now it is looking as it is how your visiting card looks. This completes your first program. Thank you.